we check in to hike. Alright, we paid our ticket. Let's see, it's $20 US. There's some rain showers this morning. It is more coming up on the first step already. Nice steps all the way in the hike. Rain shower. Feels good.
Fruit 5 months to be mature and just about 5 minutes to get eaten. There's none over here.
Yeah, lots of things. Baskets, houses, the bamboo is used for all sorts of things. It's a national plant, she just said. Our guide.
Right? Other guides, they are from the community itself. Let's go to heaven.
Yeah. A souvenir refreshment stop place here on the top. Trips.
Okay, up here we have the 360 panoramic view where we get to see just about the point. Alright, most welcome. Don't
Yes,
forget your
so beautiful.
Yes, I used to be a guide there. That was 2015. And this is where we come to the end. It was indeed a pleasure having you folks. Thanks for coming. Do enjoy the rest of your stay on island.